Welcome, language learners, to Visual Vocab English. Are you ready to boost your English skills? Today, we're diving into the world of time and date vocabulary. Listen carefully and repeat after me as we learn together.
Clock. A device that shows the time. The old grandfather clock chimed loudly, marking the passing of another hour. Year. A period of 365 days. This year, I want to travel. Time. A measure of duration. Time flew by as we laughed and reminisced about old memories at the reunion. Date. Specific day within a month. I have a dinner date with Sarah tonight. We're going to that new Italian restaurant downtown. Day. Period of 24 hours. Every day, Sarah takes her dog for a walk in the park. Hour. 60 minutes. After an hour of intense studying, Sarah finally understood the complex math problem. A clock indicates the exact hour. I'll meet you at the cafe at 3 o'clock for our study session. Minute. 60 seconds. After waiting for what felt like an eternity, Sarah finally spotted her friend's familiar face in the crowded cafe, her anxiety melting away in that single minute. Second. Basic unit of time. It took her precisely 30 seconds to complete the puzzle. Morning. Early part of the day. Every morning, the birds outside my window greet me with their cheerful songs, ushering in a new day filled with promise. Afternoon. Time between noon and evening. After a busy morning of meetings, she looked forward to a quiet afternoon spent reading in the garden. Evening. Late part of the day. We'll go out in the evening. Night. Time when it's dark. I like to stargaze at night. week, 7 days, we'll see each other next week, Sunday, first day of the week, I love lazy Sundays, Monday, second day of the week, Monday is the start of the week, Tuesday, third day of the week, Tuesday is taco night, Wednesday, fourth day of the week, we'll have a meeting on Wednesday, Thursday, fifth day of the week, on Thursday, I have a dentist appointment at noon, Friday, sixth day of the week, on Friday, I plan to unwind with a good book and a cup of tea after a busy week at work. Saturday, seventh day of the week, last Saturday, we went for a hike in the mountains and enjoyed a picnic by the lake. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I'll relax on the weekend. Next. Following in order. The next train to arrive at platform 3 will depart for Manchester in 5 minutes. Half. Equal parts. We'll meet halfway.
Thank you for joining us today, language learners. We hope you enjoyed expanding your English vocabulary with us. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll delve into even more exciting English topics. Until then, keep learning and exploring with Visual Vocab English.